Hey folks, today we're going to be working on the Honda 350X. This is a 1985. As you can see, I got quite a few projects here, but I got a new gas tank in for this today, so I figured I'd put it in, see if I can get it running. This is probably the original fuel tank. When I got it, somebody had tried to seal it. Well, froze up. As you can see, the gas cap just broke off in there from all the rust. This thing is just bad. So anyways, we bought a new plastic tank. Here it is. Didn't come with the stickers. I put the stickers on. This is a Clark oversized tank. Yeah, so this is about 3.3 gallons, I believe, plastic. It'll never rust out. I think that Clark tank itself was about 200 bucks. Stickers were 10, and then it didn't come with a petcock. I had to buy that. That was another $10, something like that. So wasn't too bad. But so we'll see how she fits on here. I'll start tearing it apart, and hopefully it fits right in. So this old tank wasn't secured down anyways, so don't have to unbolt that right now. You can hear the crap in it. Between the rust and somebody tried sealing it, that stuff didn't hold. Just there was no seal in the tank, unfortunately. So let's see how this fits on. Tight. Alright, a little cold out here, but got it on. That's what she looks like. I haven't put the, actually I ordered some new radiator scopes, red ones. The old ones are a little cracked up, a little beat, so got some new ones coming in. They haven't got here yet, but so the fitment, I mean, it's in the rubber grommet. The rubber grommet's inside. Doesn't go all the way in, but it's nice and snug. The bolts lined up pretty good in the back. I haven't hooked that up, but everything clears, so it looks pretty good. I mean, seat doesn't look too bad. The other side, same thing. Seems to line up pretty good. Well, at least I'll be able to run now anyways. But yeah, so I guess my next video, I'll hook the gas lines up and start this thing up, go for a ride. It's long overdue. Well, as you can see, it's not really three-wheeler weather right now anyways, but we'll try to go for a ride.